Hey Idaho Voyager fans, well, here we are, Maiden Voyage for Guinevere, our new RV. We are headed out on a Friday afternoon, westbound to the Oregon coast. Details coming right up. We're stopping here in Ontario to top off our fuel. We're headed to Burns, Oregon tonight. So today it's about a 4-hour drive. We decided to get away after work on a Friday to kind of shorten the trip tomorrow. So we're headed to Burns tonight and want to top off the tank. One thing I've learned towing, you don't want to mess around with fuel consumption. You want to have enough fuel and not worry about it, so we try to top it off as often as we can. We're here at Burns RV Park. It was a 4-hour drive from Boise, and this was just a quick overnight, and it helps break it up. It was about a 4-hour drive here to Burns last night on Friday. Today we're going to head over to Casey's Riverside RV resort on the Willamette River, and that's another 4 hours, and we'll stay there 2 nights and then head over to the coast. And so just breaking it up makes it really nice, and we were able to get away on a Friday night after work, so we should get into Casey's early afternoon today. We'll stay there 2 nights and then head over to Sea Perch RV Resort just south of Yachats, Oregon. We'll be there 4 nights, and then on the way back, we'll stay 2 nights at Crown Villa Resort in Bend, and then come home that Sunday. So about 8 days. Looking forward to it. If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe, and we will be doing in-depth reviews on the campgrounds we're staying at, so stay tuned here on Idaho Voyager.